whatever you want to say that. The guys are sitting here, the students are sitting here, and they want to listen that what have you capability. They want to explain to another person. Okay? Yes.
In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Good morning to all of you and my respected teacher and my all dear friends. Thanks for giving me a golden chance to come on the stage to present myself. This is Israr here. I have 12th class pass. I completed my ITI. I want to become a good influencer in my life. I want to become a good lecturer in my life. You know already, knowledge is very important for everyone. Without knowledge, you can't do something. Such as, we know already. Are you listening my word? With the help of knowledge. I am speaking, it is given of knowledge. Without knowledge, we can't speak in English language. Without knowledge, we can't do something in English category. You know already, knowledge is very important for everyone. We are sitting here for listening our matter. So now I am telling about knowledge. Knowledge is very important. Suppose that someone wants to become an IS officer and he wants to take admission in IS Academy and he wants to serve his country, he will be able to earn a lot of money because IS is very most powerful in India. IS is most powerful man in India. So if he wants to become an IS officer, first he will take in IS Academy. After becoming IS officer, he will earn a lot of money. He will support his family. If there is knowledge, he can search which academy is best for IS. Then he can go and he will be able to take admission in IS Academy. And he will be able to achieve IS job. He will be able to achieve IS power. He can serve his family. He will be able to judge who is best, who is good, who is not good.
Yes.
This is very necessary. Without knowledge, he can't do something. He can't search where is good academy, who is best academy for IS. He can't search. He won't be able to join academy. He won't be able to become a good IS officer. He won't be able to serve his country. He won't be able to help a poor family. He can't earn a lot of money by becoming an IS officer. So I can say knowledge is very important. Now we are looking, many teachers are speaking in English language, many students are speaking in English language. It is a power of knowledge. Without knowledge, he can't speak in English language. He can't go anywhere. Suppose that someone wants to go to another country and he wants to earn a lot of money. If there is knowledge, he can go to best shop and he can purchase ticket. By purchasing ticket, he can catch aeroplane and he can go out there. By going there, he can earn a lot of money. He can do his job. At that time, he can earn a lot of money. By earning money, he will be able to support poor family. He will be serve his country. But if there is no knowledge, he can't go which shop is best for purchasing ticket. He won't be able to purchase ticket and he can't go and Saudi Arabia and another country. So I can say knowledge is very important. I am speaking here with the help of knowledge. You are listening here with the help of knowledge in which last of my word.
Okay. Yes, guys, you listen carefully. There's Israr ji presented here and he spoke well. There is no problem. You got too much knowledge by that. Okay.